what that sound is. Oh, I just. Oh.
What's
Oh shit.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, that's gay.
What do you keep?
That's
Shit.
gays.
I got big facts about. Ooh. Oh, dude, I got a big fart coming. Holy shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
What?
It's so pure, bro.
They say it seeped down the roots into the mountain.
Oh, so pure.
Oh, I'm Nader up there.
I killed him.
Oh shit.
Nice.
Oh shit.
Well, everyone else.
Oh shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit.
I got motherfucking rights, man. I call dibs on the Asian bitch.
Dude.
What? It usually like goes away if I like play for a while.
Oh shit. Ooh. Breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law.
That's funny. We tried playing like Dead Island, I think a year ago, and
Oh shit.
it was like me.
Yeah, you can stop that.
Jesus. Oh. Bang.
So shitting.
Oh shit. Ooh.
Oh,
Damn.
Damn, dude. Shit.
Yeah.
So he's gonna not make any more Dark Souls games? Oh shit.
Dude.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Basically.
Oh. Oh.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
I wouldn't have accepted
So, oh, it's so gassy, bro.
I did.
Shit.
Conspired with the king to.
Ugh.
I've seen this before.
There's something you don't know. Oh shit, there's a disturbance. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Oh shit. I got revenge a couple times, you know.
Dude, there is no way. I literally just finished trimming the last one.
What are you talking about? Dude, I never fart. Like,
Before we even scored.
dude.
Before we even scored.
Dude. Oh, I got some big facts about to come. Oh shit, that's big facts.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh.
Rustled Pussy, Billy, 909 Midget Prototype,
Oh shit,
Kel
the cheesecake.
Bastro.
Oh shit.
I mean, not really. There's more people.
Oh
If
shit.
Vice was on there, he was going.
Did you fart?
Every time
Oh,
he
not
fucked up
yet.
on the
No,
Yeah, that was me.
afterwards, afterwards you.
Uh-oh.
After.
God damn. Did you hear that? Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Best reaction.
This
anyone
fart's gonna make me kill myself, you know what I'm saying? Oh! How big
Fucking
is it, though?
I don't know.
How big was
3
it?
inches?
Alright. Just got a fucking huge raindrop.
I got a huge something coming. Oh, shit.
There's no way around that.
Why can't we just tell him what we're telling everyone else? You can't really deny that we need some help.
Oh, shit.
I guess I'm worried.
Oh, ooh, ooh.
My
You can't be rational about this.
holy shit.
Dude, I got big farts coming. I'm making moves in the industry, guys. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Did you hear that? Oh, shit.
women.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh, shit. Oh.
You don't want the Ridge wallet?
He says I witnessed something while I was there. Something
Dude, I got a rumbling. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, I got a rumbling. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Dude.
18
All right, I gotta go.
new
I'll see you guys
fully
later.
charted songs exclusive to Clone Hero. Wow.
Oh, shit.
No way.
Uh-oh, dude. Oh, shit.
Holy shit.
Ooh. What the fuck?
after my dad died.
What time is your clock set to?
Who did that? Who did that? Dude, why did you just do that, bitch? God damn it.
You said euros?
I said, like, no. Oh, shit.
Have hammers
That's great.
and presumably full health. Dude.
Like, get the guy to the right,
Dude,
Nick.
get him. Oh! Dude, I'm gonna eat like 5 enchiladas, bro. I'm gonna get all breaked up.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Dude, G fucking G, bitch. Oh.
Give me my fucking.
It's been a month and 5 days.
Fuck.
What the
Okay.
Dude, me and my friends went to a fucking gay bar on accident.
Dude.
God damn.
Okay.
You might. Oh, shit.
Dude.
Holy
Worse than
shit.
dude.
Oh. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, I don't know about. Oh, shit. I don't know about that one. Oh, I got it.
I just sent him the word right.
30 minutes ago.
I just sent him the word right.
Oh, shit. I don't know about that one. Oh, shit.
Oh my.
I'm 53.
It's about to end.
I know that. Jesus.
I'm back, bitches. Shit.
There's no
What
way.
the?
Camp in the bag. So I pretty much just got it.
Oh, shit. I just got it, dude.
Through.
You'd fart. Yeah.
Okay.
Like that?
Let's see what. Motion blur, film grain, all this trash. Dude, look.
UAV is being refueled. RTB at this time.
Oh my god. Oh shit, man. Oh shit, me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
It's not a good. It's not good.
Oh shit. You know what I'm saying?
It is.
Just in the middle of nowhere.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna be able to buy Orion.
Oh, dude,
No.
that's sick. Oh shit.
Dude, why didn't I use RPG sooner?
Oh my fucking god.
Oh god.
Circle is right there.
Oh god! Oh!
Dude, no.
Dude, holy
Oh god. Oh shit.
Alright.
Dude, she's trying to save him. Ooh. You know, one of the times I farted on the mic, I actually shit my pants, but I played it off like I didn't, and then I just left for a little bit. Oh shit, I shouldn't eat so much Alfredo.
Stop talking. Stop.
That shit himself.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
That was based.
Please, somebody can find an SMG,
Alright,
or
where's our
I'm
big
not
crossbow?
surviving shit.
Ooh, that was based.
That was just brain dead. I don't know why you did that
Fucking
yesterday.
brain dead, dude.
Okay.
1, 2.
Bloodborne.
Okay, I mean, this.
Oh, that was messy. That was so
Down to the socks.
Ooh, that was on TikTok.
The guns like throughout like.
Oh, dude, that's ooh, that's
History,
crazy.
like the best ones have been burst.
Yeah, I think it's alright.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's definitely not their best song.
That's kind of what it sounds like right there.
Okay.
You know?
It's dude. There's also a med kit down here, where
I think these two
Far
farmers.
down there.
Thank you. All right.
You know, want that game.
Dude, you know what's up? This is what's up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. What? What?
Yeah, I'm gonna chuck you up fucking minis right now.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I'm doing that so I can. They're horny.
Afraid they were gonna be kind of scary for some reason.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh, shit.
Oh
Oh.
my god! Times, baby.
20. You know what it is. Jabroni macaroni. Oh, shit. Wait, how do you spell macaroni? Did I grab this? Well, she wasn't looking.
I wasn't recording.
Oh, shit.
自殺を防ぐ方法を発見しました。それはホローカと相
I literally just give me my fucking headshots, bitch.
Give me that shit. Shit. I don't have a hangover for surprisingly.
I don't either.
It's
And I
an
didn't
immersive sim inspired by
Damn.
Kingsfield, and that's
Crazy.
Dude, it's it's Sunday. Oh, it really is Sunday, man. Wow.
See, I knew it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
I know what you mean. Okay. Dude.
Who's doing that shit?
Fucking interruptions.
Shit, dude. Interruptions.
Alright.
That's goddamn. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my.
Ooh, shit. This song's got me like, you know. Ooh, shit.
Poison.
With the stranger.
Tick.
I can't even believe that. Ooh, shit. Wait, hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
What the?
Oh, shit.
Teammate just ruining the lobby. It's great.
Oh, shit.
That's
Oh, shit. My stomach, dude. Oh.
Holy Jesus.
God damn.
dude.
Position updated. Capture the hard point.
Oh,
There's one more.
oh fuck.
What?
Oh shit.
You really
Kind of eat Arby's here. It smells like diarrhea, dude.
What the fuck?
Oh my god!